Two ways to download CapCut on a PC or laptop. The first method is to go to the Microsoft Store. Search for the CapCut app. Click on the CapCut app and select Install. After installation, we can use CapCut on the PC. That's the first method to download CapCut on a PC or laptop. Now, I will show you the second method. Open a web browser. Go to the official CapCut website, CapCut.com. Click on Download for free. After downloading the CapCut installer, left-click on it to start the installation. Now, we will wait for CapCut to download and install on the computer. So those are the two ways to download CapCut on a PC or laptop. Now, you can use CapCut to edit videos.